What is going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to break down the Norm.Dist function and show you how to use Norm.Dist to find normal distribution and probability values in Excel. And so the question is, X is a normally distributed variable with mean mu equals 15 and standard deviation sigma equals 2. Find, for the first question, probability that X is less than 20. And so the Norm.Dist function will automatically return kind of that less than probability, that left tail probability. And so it first asks us for the X value. In this case, we're evaluating the probability when X is less than 20. So we go 20. Since we know the mean is 15, we go 15, then comma 2 for the standard deviation. Now for this cumulative section, we're going to want to enter true or 1. It'll get us the same thing because we want all the probabilities leading up till 20. We don't just want the probability that X equals 20. So we'll type 1, close parentheses, and hit enter. And there we see 0.99379, or 99%, give or take. And now, if we want the probability that X is greater than 17, we're essentially going to do the same exact thing we did for 20, but because this is a greater than probability, we need to do that 1 minus. Because if you have the probability that X is less than 17, and we know the probabilities always add up to 1, we can always just do 1 minus the probability that X is less than 17 to get the probability that X is greater than 17. So go 1 minus, really quick, equals 1 minus Norm.Dist. We're looking at 17. Our mean is 15. Standard deviation is 2. Cumulative, Hit enter, and there we see it. The probability that X is greater than 17 is 15.865%. And now when we're working with a range of values, the probability between 12 and 17, we're essentially going to take the left-hand probability, so the probability that X is less than 17, that's going to be a bigger number than the probability that X is less than 12, greater than 12. And so we're going to take the first value, 17, and we'll do equals Norm.Dist, 17, 15, 2, 1, and this is going to be the probability that X is less than 17. And then we're going to subtract off the probability that X is less than 12. Norm.Dist, 12, 15, 2, 1. And so what this is saying is take the probability that X is less than 17 and subtract it from the probability that X is less than 12. Because if it's less than 17, but it's not less than 12, it's in between 12 and 17. And so hit enter, and we see 0.7745 or 77% or so. And so that's it for this video. That shows you how to use Norm.Dist to answer a couple different types of questions about the normal distribution. In later videos, I'll go over the t-distribution, norm.inverse, chi-squared, all sorts of stuff. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.